So, magandang araw, no? So, Meralco tsaka TNT kahapon. So, yung second game, you know, TNT just mastered how to play basketball the right way. You know, holding Meralco to 92 points defense and then scoring 100 plus points, or I think 109 tells something about their offense. Kahit sino kasing ipasok sa TNT gumagawa. And Meralco is a well-known defensive team. Magagaling dumepensa to at gustong dumidepensa. Pero bakit umi-score yung TNT despite dun sa defense ng Meralco na laging nandyan? Players yung TNT is just good. Yung heading nga hindi nila mahinto. Yung Galinato, umi-score, may rebound. At saka, kung mapapansin nyo, yung TNT, hindi na sila masyadong nagpo-focus sa 3-point shots. Malapit sa ring at tira nila ngayon. Which is a testament na mas pinapahalagahan nila yung madadaling puntos. Kasi kung if you rely on 3 at hindi pumasok yun, mahihirapan ka talagang umiscore. Katulad nung nangyayari sa Ginebra tsaka sa San Miguel, no? Yung mga tira ng Ginebra on the latter part of the game, hindi na pumapasok. So, nag-take advantage doon yung San Miguel. Ano? At saka TNT is attacking mismatches. Kung mas may advantage yung player nila over that player, nandun yung bola. Say for instance, nagkaroon ng switch. Napunta si Newsome kay Galinato Jr. So may advantage si Galinato sa post, kay Galinato yung bola. At naka-score si Galinato. So yung mga ganong bagay, mga ganong kasimpleng basketball concepts na ina-apply ng TNT constantly. At saka TNT rebound well. Yun. TNT rebound well, no? Yung intensity ng BGR, yun na nakakahawa eh. Yung BGR was all over the place. So, yun lang pa.